Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to cancel your order on Grubhub. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official grubhub.com website right here and log into your account. And after logging into your account, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the restaurants that you can order from. If you're on your mobile phone, guys, go ahead and open up your application and log into your account. And this will be the main page, a bit different than the website one, but basically the same thing, only your options will be at the bottom of the screen. So as you can see guys, now what we want to do to be able to cancel an order is to go ahead and find the order that we have made. So here we want to go ahead right here in the upper right corner and click on our profile icon and then click on the past orders option right here in the new menu that appears. If you're on your phone, you will only have to click in this orders option right here and it will take you to the same page. So as you can see guys, currently I do not have any orders, but if I have ordered something in the last couple of hours or maybe I'm waiting for my order, it will appear right here. So what we have to do guys to be able to cancel it is to just go ahead, as you will see on this image right here, there will appear a help button next to the order that you will see. As you can see, this is the order. You want to go ahead and click the help button that will appear, and then in the new menu that appears, you want to go ahead and click on the cancel order button. So guys, go ahead and click on cancel order, and after clicking on cancel order guys, this will now go ahead and cancel your order, and it will open up a chat option with your customer support to explain why you wanted to cancel the order. Well, yeah, guys, basically just go ahead and talk with them, tell them what the problem is, and they will cancel your order, and then you will be set. But yeah, guys, basically that is it, how do you do it. So, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.